This is the Fiesta de Banos. What they do is they take boxcars straight down the hill as fast as they possibly can, and they're very proud of the tradition because every year somebody dies.
Okay, so I decided to choose this area right here, not knowing that the reason that there's less people right here is because of that bump right there. When they come flying down the hill, they're gonna hit that probably about 50 or 60 miles an hour and then launch off it and probably come right into the crowd right here. I hope nobody dies, man, especially us.
Dude, the guy was out of control.
Really?
He was so out of control, dude.
Now look at that face. Now tell me he's not having fun.
We're waiting for a crash.
So now it's the end of the boxcar race, and everybody's gonna walk down to where they're gonna announce the winners of the race. You can see them up on stage, throwing out their wreaths, adoring fans, get to drink champagne, and the queens of Banos are present, and they even get radio interviews. How awesome is that?
Fiesta de Banos brought to you by Pilsener.
And Nate.
It will get you drunk.
Just watch.
Yeah!
Wow.
Did you win?
Hell yeah.